Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Instant Pot is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances ever created, and today, we're diving deep into the biggest one. This multi-cooker can do it all: pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, and more. If you're looking to save time and simplify your meal prep, you're in the right place. We'll explore its features, capacity, and whether it's the right fit for your cooking needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 Cutie. This amazing appliance does it all. It can air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, pressure cook, and more. It's a versatile tool for any kitchen. With 11 one-touch options, you can easily cook anything. From soups to desserts, it makes cooking simple and enjoyable. It cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods. This means delicious meals in less time, perfect for busy schedules. Get that perfect crunch with 95% less oil. This technology ensures crispy results without the guilt of deep frying. Adjust the temperature from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You have complete control to achieve the perfect crispiness every time. The durable stainless steel pot is stovetop and oven-friendly. It also features easy-grip silicone handles for safe and convenient use. The 8-quart capacity is perfect for up to 8 servings. It's ideal for families, meal prep, and cooking in batches. What we like? This Instant Pot is a true kitchen workhorse, offering 11 different cooking functions in one appliance. It utilizes even crisp technology, ensuring your food is perfectly crispy with minimal oil. If you're looking for a versatile cooker that can handle everything from air frying to pressure cooking for a family, this is the one for you. What people say. With 10 different modes: pressure, sauté, sous vide, slow cook, steam, air fry, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, there isn't a recipe I didn't try to force into this thing. I like the larger size, as I cook for larger crowds on a regular basis, and I do like the set it and forget it nature of the Instant Pot if I am preparing larger meals. The removable separate air fryer top is great as opposed to the one-piece Ninja. The stainless steel pot is way better than the ceramic Ninja. This makes perfect rice and perfect everything. Number 4. Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL 8 Cutie Air Fryer. This air fryer does it all. It can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. You can even cook multiple things at once with its sync cook and sync finish technology. Get that perfect crunch with 95% less oil than traditional deep frying. This technology ensures your food is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Keep an eye on your food without opening the basket. The clear cook window lets you easily monitor your food as it cooks. Cook your mains and sides at the same time, or double your portions. This feature makes meal prep a breeze. The touchscreen display guides you through each stage of cooking. You'll always know what's going on with your food. With an 8-quart capacity, it can handle up to 8 portions. Perfect for families and entertaining guests. No more dish duty battles. The dishwasher-safe cooking baskets and trays make cleanup quick and easy. What we like? The Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL features a clear cook window, allowing you to monitor your food without opening the basket. It also boasts dual baskets, perfect for cooking mains and sides simultaneously. If you like to keep an eye on your food while cooking and enjoy the convenience of cooking multiple dishes at once, you'll love this air fryer. What people say. The 8-quart capacity is perfect for larger portions or family meals, yet it doesn't take up much counter space. The dual basket design is a brilliant feature, allowing me to cook 2 different foods at once without flavors mixing. With its sync cook and sync finish functions, both sides are ready at the same time, making it super convenient for preparing meals fast. Number 3. Instant Pot Bible, 350 plus recipes and strategies. Are you ready to master your Instant Pot? This book is your ultimate guide. It's packed with over 350 recipes and strategies for every Instant Pot model. Discover a wide variety of recipes, from quick weeknight meals to impressive dishes. It covers everything from appetizers to desserts, ensuring there's something for everyone. This cookbook will become your go-to resource. No matter which Instant Pot you own, this book has you covered. It provides specific instructions and tips for each model. You'll learn how to get the most out of your appliance. This comprehensive guide is all you need to become an Instant Pot expert. It simplifies the cooking process and helps you create amazing meals. Get ready to transform your cooking experience. Embrace the ease and versatility of the Instant Pot. This book will guide you every step of the way. Start your culinary adventure today and enjoy delicious, home-cooked meals. What we like. This cookbook is your ultimate guide to mastering your Instant Pot, offering over 350 recipes and strategies for every model. It provides comprehensive instructions and model-specific tips. If you are a beginner or an experienced Instant Pot user looking to expand your culinary horizons, this book is a must-have. What people say. The Instant Pot is a versatile appliance that can replace multiple kitchen gadgets. It has a large capacity, making it suitable for cooking large meals or for meal prepping. The Instant Pot has multiple cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, and steaming. Number 2. Instant HEPA Air Purifier with Plasma Ion. This air purifier uses a HEPA 13 filter to capture 99.97% of impurities. It also features plasma ion technology, releasing positive and negative ions into the air. This helps you breathe cleaner air. The purifier can filter up to 630 square feet per hour. It's AHEM verified to clean a 126 square foot area 5 times per hour. You'll notice the difference quickly. The auto mode detects air quality and adjusts fan speed accordingly. A digital display shows the air quality level. The light band changes color to indicate good, okay, or poor air quality. An activated carbon filter helps reduce unpleasant odors. This feature keeps your rooms and office spaces smelling fresh. It's a great addition for any environment. A light sensor automatically dims the display and lowers the noise level at night. It's designed to operate quietly, ensuring a peaceful environment while you sleep. Eco mode cycles the fan on and off every 10 minutes if the air quality is good for 30 minutes. This feature helps reduce energy consumption by 50%. It's both effective and efficient. The high-quality filter can last up to 12 months. Replacing it is simple, just unhinge the bottom and swap in a new filter. It's designed for easy maintenance. What we like. This air purifier combines a HEPA 13 filter with plasma ion technology to remove 99.97% of impurities. It also features an auto mode that adjusts fan speed based on air quality. If you are concerned about air quality and want a smart, efficient purifier for your home or office, consider this one. What people say. Auto mode is a lifesaver and the best part. No more bar room haze, no more dusty and musty smells, and it clears the smoke in less than 30 minutes. PM 2.5 sensor built in. With actual UGM3 readout. The type of particle and forest fire smoke. It kicks up automatically when I cook bacon, even though it isn't right in the kitchen. There's a light under the control panel that stays white when the air is good, it goes yellow-orange and then red when the air quality is bad. Number 1. Instant Pot Bible, 350 new recipes. Are you ready to elevate your cooking? This book is packed with 350 brand new recipes. It's designed to help you make the most of your Instant Pot. No matter which Instant Pot you own, this book has you covered. The recipes are tailored for every size and model. You'll find something perfect for your needs. This is the next generation of Instant Pot cooking. It offers fresh ideas and innovative techniques. It will transform the way you cook. Explore a wide variety of delicious dishes. From appetizers to desserts, there's a recipe for every occasion. It's a culinary adventure waiting to happen. Unlock the full potential of your Instant Pot. This book is your ultimate guide to mastering pressure cooking. It will become your go-to resource. What we like. This cookbook offers 350 totally new recipes for every size and model of Instant Pot. It provides fresh ideas and updated content for your cooking. If you are looking for new recipes to try with your Instant Pot, this book is a great choice. What people say. The Instant Pot is a versatile appliance that can replace multiple kitchen gadgets. It has a large capacity, making it suitable for cooking meals for a crowd or meal prepping. The Instant Pot has multiple cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, and steaming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.